Hey YouTubers, and welcome back to Tony the Technician channel. And today we're going to be going into an upgraded pressure washer gun that I decided to go with over the one that came with my pressure washer. If you guys have watched my previous videos, I have the Greenworks 1500 psi electric pressure washer that came with this gun right here. I added the quick connect here, but I decided to go with this because you have a lot better control over it. It's better for a lot of different situations when detailing a car. It has a lot of good reviews. It's in my price range, and it's exactly what I wanted. So like I was saying, it's a lot easier to control, not just with pressure washing the car, but when using a foam cannon as well. The issue with the one that came with the pressure washer, it is a long one, and it's kind of a hassle when you have the foam cannon, all the weight up front, and then you're holding it back here as well, so you kind of gotta grip both ends of the pressure washer wand. And this is a two-piece design, so it does split right here, but you can't, it's not your normal attachment. This is kind of the only way you can use it is with the extension, whereas this, if I wanted to add an extension, which I will be purchasing an undercarriage pressure washer attachment, which comes with extensions which I can add to this. So if I need more reach, I can add whatever I need to this, or I can just throw my foam cannon right on the end of here, or my pressure washer attachments or nozzles right on the end of here as well. I don't have to worry about this extra length when I don't need it. So better control when just standard pressure washing, and better control and easier to use when using a foam cannon. It came with the quick disconnect. It came with the quick disconnect here, and it also came with the attachment. If you don't have quick disconnects, you can use this, and this is your standard fitting for your pressure washer hose and everything. So here's the packaging it came with. This is the Chemical Guys Snubby spray foam gun attachment. So this is actually rated pretty high. It's a max pressure of 5,000 psi, up to 10.5 gallons per minute, up to 300 degrees if you are using a heated pressure washer, and it comes with, like I stated, all three connectors. And here's just kind of some of the information on it. But it's really nice. I didn't want to go with something super cheap. You'll find these all over Amazon. This will be linked down in the description for you guys, but they range anywhere from like $15-$20-ish up to $100 if you go with the top of the line, professional. And this was right in my price range. I didn't want to go with something that was $15 or $20 and end up having leaks or problems with the mechanism, or the life of the pressure washer gun, not lasting that long. But I also didn't want to go ahead and spend the $80 roughly for the high end MTM, which I would love to have an MTM, but it's just not in my price range right now. I just didn't feel like I needed to spend that amount of money for the amount of work that I'm doing as of right now. Plus I think this will do great even if I upgrade my pressure washer in the future. Obviously you can tell by the ratings it is rated much higher, where the standard one that comes with the pressure washer is, it's made for this pressure washer. So it is rated at a max pressure of 1600 psi, max temperature of 104, so it's not for a heated pressure washer, and a rated volume of 1.2 gallons per minute. So it's literally designed just for this pressure washer. If I upgraded, I wouldn't be able to use this. So this will be virtually good for any pressure washer that I use. I don't plan on getting a heated one, but if I do upgrade, it will definitely be within the 5,000 psi and 10.5 gallons per minute. So this will be great on this pressure washer and a future one if I ever decide to upgrade. So the weight of this thing, it feels like it's built of really good quality. The weight and quality feels great. It's not so heavy to where you're going to get tired of holding it or anything, but it does feel like it's made of quality parts, whereas this, you can tell 90% of this is plastic except for the adapter and a thin tube that runs through here, and then that is all plastic, and then the quick disconnect on the end. So this was right in my price range. I didn't want to go with the $20 one. I didn't want to go with the $80 one. And you can get the MTM anywhere from $60 to $100, just depending. The $60 one will not come with any connectors. You'll have to purchase your own, so you're gonna, bump the price up there. Or you can get it for around $70 or so with the attachments and all of that. But obviously that's stepping the price up. This I purchased for $38, so it's right in my price range, and it came with everything I needed to just hook it up to my pressure washer and go. So that's why I really like this, and it also had a lot of good reviews. Unlike some of the cheaper ones, obviously. So it's good for gas and electric pressure washers. Handles 300 degrees. Not that that's necessary for me, but 5,000 psi and 10.5 gallons per minute. It's got a rubber mold back here for your palm, and the rest of it is plastic, except for the internals, obviously. And yeah, so really decent size, nice little snub nose, a lot easier to control. Love the quick connect. I won't have to, run my foam cannon 3 feet out in front of me. It's all right here in my hand. Very easy to control. I can, keep it close to my body, so I know it's not going to hit the side of a body or anything like that, which is really good. And this is good for, all the little fittings and stuff and all that. And if I ever want to run an extension wand on here, I can as well. So in future videos, you will see me using this. So we'll see how it does. This is the Torq. You can see kind of the specs on it there as well. Just kind of a close-up look of it. And all the fittings did come with Teflon tape already on them, just to prevent it from leaking. So really nice. The spring-loaded trigger is really nice as well. It feels good. And it does have a lock as well, so that's nice. But I just figured it's a lot easier than using this 3-foot one where I have to hold out here if I have the foam cannon on here and back here. So not that I won't ever use this, but this will just be a lot better for detailing cars. So that's why I picked this up. If you guys have a snub nose, let me know which one you guys went with. If you guys do suggest it, please drop it down in the comments. If you guys have this one, please let me know your thoughts on it. And than that, stay tuned for videos where we will be putting this to the test with my foam cannon and other attachments as well, and seeing how it works with my Greenworks pressure washer. And I do highly suggest that as well if you're just doing cars around the house, or you're just getting into detailing cars. I think it's a great little pressure washer for around $90, so it'll also be linked down in the description for you guys. But other than that, that's really it. Kind of a first look at the new snub nose that I picked up, and I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys did, please make sure to hit that thumbs up. Leave a comment down below of your thoughts, or if you have any questions. And as always, if you haven't, please subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one.